Okay, so let's take a look at how you can check storage limit of your Salesforce developer admin. So what we're gonna do is log into developer account, and here in quick find box we are going to type in storage. Okay, that should show us some specific link regarding storage limits. Okay, also it will show you under data storage usage. Okay, so click on that link. Okay, then the next thing would be to check this page for all the limits that are applied to your account. Okay, now here you see you have data storage used up to 5 MB, 20 MB. Also big object storage is listed here, how much it is used, and finally the percentage is listed here. So based on the amount of data that is being used by API or any other form of operations, it will be listed in percentage on the right hand side column. Okay, so in my case I have around 43 contacts, goes to show 23% of the usage is being done. Though storage is extremely low here, as you can see 86 KB are being stored here, right? So it's not a much data for developer edition, but if you are using it for your actual organization, then these limits will show you some real numbers and enough storage being used. So you get the idea how to check for storage usage in Salesforce dashboard. So you log into Salesforce dashboard and then you search in quick find for storage. Okay, similarly you can also check this data menu and storage usage link to check the limits.